So first, you're going to even your neighborhood are actually um, would come to your house and visit your uh, what's this, your garden, no? Okay, because you have some ornamental plants to be um, that are actually going uh, to make a business. Okay, number two, create a logo that can be easily remembered by most people. So in putting a business, you have to make a you have to design a logo, no, in order that uh, these buyers would be able to search it easily, search or easily find in the internet, no, in the website. Okay. Okay, next is number three is you have to create your own website by using the logo. Websites are used for advertising your products for free. So some of these plans will be screenshots in order that it should be actually been shown this shown in the website so that it could attract the buyer. Okay, so you make your own website, no? Okay, number four is it creates pages on accounts like uh, Facebook and Instagram. Number five, scout for potential buyer examples, restaurants and events places. So during this, like for example, May, this month are actually some of, or June, no? These are the activities of some that are planning to get married. So they actually look for some roses. What else? Carnation. Okay, these are the flowers that are being used during these activities or events. Okay, some restaurants also find find some additional attraction to the table. No, they actually put some flowers on the table. Okay, number six is apply the giving away freebies or discount. Okay, so there will be months that, like for example, okay, these are these are the plants or these are the flowers that or ornamental plants that will be that we're going to say to sale or to yes to lower the prices, no, to sell it on this month. So you're going to um, what's this? Put it. I mean, do some posting on the Facebook or Instagram, so that buyers would be able to visit your uh, place. Okay. Next is business record keeping. It number one, it helps to monitor your money that comes in and out from your business. So you have a record. You have to record the sales of you or the yes the profit that you made that day. So every day you have to jot down all the what's this, the money or the yes the money that actually uh, being what's this or coming from your sales. Okay, number two helps you compare your daily, weekly, or monthly expenses and gain. So number two, it helps you to, so there will be comparison. How many plants are actually uh, been delivered or um, been bought today, okay, you can do it by weekly or by monthly. So what did you gain, and what then you're going to less the also the expenses. Okay, number three, it helps you manage and keep track of the changes in your business. Okay. Number okay. So in order to track down the changes is if there are actually a lot of buyers, you need also you need to add some or to hire people in order to assist you. Okay. If there are a lot of um, customers that actually um, buy your ornamental plants. Okay, so if there are lots of what's this plants that actually been um, delivered, so you would actually need a large or an additional pots or um, soil that you're going to buy for the expansion of your business. Okay. The last activity is about your assignment. Okay. Assignment: name at least 20 ornamental plants and identify its name. Okay. That's all for today. Goodbye, class.